Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install one of the most powerful Kodi add-ons ever made, Elementum. Before we begin, a very important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and research purposes. I do not encourage or promote piracy. Please respect copyright laws and use only legal streaming services. Today, we are focusing on the technical setup of P2P engines on Android TV. First, we need to download the plugin file. For this, I am using the T95X for TV box. Open your browser. I recommend Brave for its ease of use on Android TV. Navigate to the official Elementum website or GitHub repository. Here, you must choose the correct version for your hardware. I am downloading all in one zip file. Just click download and wait for it to finish. This file is the engine that will handle the data streams. Now let's open Kodi. Before we install the file, we need to allow external sources. Go to Settings, then System, then Add-ons, and toggle Unknown Sources to On. Next, go back to the home screen, click Add-ons, then the box icon at the top left. Select Install from zip file. Navigate to your external storage and find your download folder. Select the Elementum zip file we just downloaded. Kodi will now install the Elementum engine. You might see a message asking to restart Kodi. Go ahead and do that to ensure the background services start correctly. Elementum itself is just the engine. To find content, we need a provider called Elementum Burst. You can download it from GitHub webpage or install from repository. Now I will install it from zip file. This is the component that searches for torrent providers. Once installed, I recommend going into the burst settings and making sure the top providers are enabled for the best results. I also will install Elementum Addon from Elementum repository. You can find it in Videos Addons directory. Now let's see it in action. I am opening the Elementum interface now. As you can see, everything on the screen is blurred to respect copyright and avoid community strikes. I'm selecting a popular title to test the P2P speed. Notice how quickly the list of torrent providers appears. This is the power of the S905X4 processor and the Elementum engine working together. I'll select a file with high seeders. You can see the buffering progress bar moving very fast. The engine manages the data in the background, providing a very stable experience. That is how you set up Elementum on your Android TV box. It's a fast, efficient, and technical way to manage P2P streams. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I am so close to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. If you want to see more Android TV hacks and tech reviews, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.